Hello everyone, welcome back to my home lab project. So in the last video, we simulated a credential dumping attack and then crafted a rule to identify and alert us of this attack. So now what we're going to do is simulate a common ransomware tactic that is deleting shadow copies. And then we're going to craft a rule to alert us of this attack and then also respond by deleting the parent process, which this will usually work in a real world scenario because the parent process will be the actual ransomware. So to get started with the attack, we are in our sliver shell with elevated privileges. So now we're going to have to create a Windows native shell to be able to run Windows commands. Okay, so now we're in. And now for the command to delete the shadow copies, okay, now the output isn't really important, just the command. So now we will go to our LimaCharlie instance here in our Windows server sensor. So we will go to timeline. We can just type and here is our command. You can see we access the vssadmin.exe process and type delete shadows all. Now we build DNR rule. So we're going to keep this. We'll name it shadow copy. Okay. So for the response, alert first. Okay. Now for the response, action. Okay. So we will create. Right. And now first always test your event. Looks like we have to go copy event in timeline. So we'll go back. Okay. And it works. So now that we have our rule created, we will go back here and execute the command. Okay, so the command will execute successfully, but now has generated or produced this alert. So we can go and check to make sure detections. And yep, here we go, right here. Now, if we go back, so our shell will actually be disabled because we deleted the parent process, which is the shell that we are currently in. So we can check this by typing who am I, and we'll exit our shell because it doesn't exist anymore. And there you go. We have successfully identified shadow copy deletion and responded to it by deleting the parent process.